Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Mind podcast.
Hello, friends. Nice to see you again.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm wonderful. I'm so excited about today's lesson.
Me too. So, Sarah, before we start, let's tell our listeners about our channel.
Yes, dear listeners, we are here to help you learn English. We want to make learning fun and easy for you.
That's right. We talk about useful topics in simple English. Today's topic is very practical.
Yes, today we're going to talk about restaurants. We'll learn how to talk at the restaurant in English.
This is so useful. Everyone needs to eat, right?
That's true. And sometimes we want to eat at a restaurant.
Exactly. So we need to know what to say.
That's right. So, John, do you like eating at restaurants?
Oh, yes, I love it. I enjoy trying new foods. What about you?
I love it too. But I remember when I first learned English, I felt nervous at restaurants.
Really? Why did you feel nervous?
I didn't know what to say. I was worried about making mistakes.
I understand. Many English learners feel the same way.
Yes, so today we want to help everyone feel confident.
Perfect. Let's start from the beginning. You arrive at the restaurant. What happens first?
Well, first you walk into the restaurant. Someone greets you at the door.
Yes, this person is called the host or hostess.
The host says, "Hello, welcome," or "Good evening."
And you say hello back. Always be friendly.
That's right. Then the host asks a question.
What question do they ask, Sarah?
They ask, "How many?" or "Table for how many?"
Ah, yes. They want to know the number of people with you.
Exactly. So if you are alone, you say, "One, please," or just one.
If you are with one friend, you say two, please.
If you are with two friends, you say, "Three, please."
Very simple. Just say the number.
That's right. So the host says, "Please follow me."
You walk behind the host. They take you to your table.
Yes. When you get to the table, the host might ask, "Is this table okay?"
You can say yes, thank you, or yes, perfect.
Then the host gives you the menu.
The menu shows all the food and drinks you can order.
That's right. The host says, "Here is your menu," or "Your server will be with you soon."
You say thank you. Always be polite.
Yes, good manners are very important.
So now you have the menu. What do?
You look at the menu. You read all the food choices.
Take your time. You don't need to rush.
That's right. Look at the different dishes.
The menu usually has different sections.
Yes, there are appetizers. These are small dishes you eat first.
Then there are main courses. These are the big meals.
And desserts. These are sweet foods at the end.
I love desserts.
Me too. So while you're looking at the menu, the waiter comes to your table.
Yes, the waiter is the person who helps you order.
The waiter says, "Hello, my name is Tom. I'll be your server today."
You can say hello or nice to meet you.
Then the waiter asks, "Can I get you something to drink?"
This is a very common question.
Yes, they want to know if you want water, juice, coffee, or soda.
So you say, I'd like water, please, or can I have coffee, please?
Perfect. "I'd like" and "can I have" are very useful phrases.
Use them for everything. They're easy and polite.
Exactly. So what if you're not ready to order food yet?
Good question. You say, I need a few more minutes, please.
Or, "Can I have more time?"
The waiter says, of course, take your time.
Then they leave and you continue reading the menu.
Now, Sarah, what if you don't understand something on the menu?
That's very important. Don't be afraid to ask.
That's right. Waiters are there to help you.
You can point to the menu and say, "What is this?"
Or, can you explain this?
The waiter will tell you about the dish.
You can also ask, is this spicy? Or, is this vegetarian?
Great questions. If you have allergies, you must tell the waiter.
Yes, allergies are very serious. Say, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Or, "I can't eat dairy." The waiter will help you choose safe food.
Exactly. Your safety is the most important thing.
So true. Now, let's say you're ready to order.
The waiter comes back and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
You say, "Yes, I'm ready," or "Yes, please."
Then you tell them what you want.
You say, "I'd like the chicken, please," or "I'll have the pasta."
These are both good ways to order.
Yes, very simple and clear.
Sometimes the waiter asks questions about your order.
That's right. For example, if you order a burger, they might ask, "What side do you want?"
A side dish is food that comes with your meal, like fries or salad.
You say, "Fries, please," or "I'd like the salad."
If you order a steak, they ask, "How do you want it cooked?"
You can say, "Medium, please," or "Well done, please."
Don't worry if you don't understand. You can say, "Can you repeat that?"
Or, "I'm sorry, I didn't hear you."
It's okay to ask. Communication is important.
Exactly. The waiter wants you to get what you want.
So after you order, the waiter writes everything down.
They say, "Great, I'll put that order in for you."
Or, "Your food will be ready soon."
Then they take your menu and go to the kitchen.
Now you wait for your food. This is a good time to talk with your friends.
Yes, enjoy the conversation.
Or you can look around the restaurant.
Just relax and wait. Your food will come soon.
So, Sarah, after some time, the food is ready.
Yes, the waiter brings the food to your table.
They say, "Here's your chicken," or "Here's your pasta."
They put the plate in front of you carefully.
Sometimes they say, "Careful, the plate is very hot."
That's important. Don't touch hot plates.
Good advice. So the waiter brings all the food.
Then they ask, "Can I get you anything else?"
This means, "Do you need anything more?"
If you need something, now is the time to ask.
You can say, "Can I have some ketchup, please?"
Or, "May I have more water?"
The waiter will bring it right away.
If you don't need anything, you say, "No, thank you. Everything looks great."
Perfect. Then you can start eating.
Enjoy your meal.
Yes. Now, while you're eating, the waiter might come back.
Yes, they check on you. This is called checking in.
They ask, "How's everything?" or "How's your meal?"
If the food is good, you say, "It's delicious, thank you."
Or "Everything is great."
If there's a problem, you should tell them.
Yes, be honest but polite.
You can say, "Excuse me, this is cold. Can you warm it up?"
Or, "I'm sorry, but I ordered fish, not chicken."
Mistakes happen. It's okay to tell them.
The waiter will say, "I'm so sorry, I'll fix that right away."
They want you to be happy with your meal.
Exactly. Good restaurants care about their customers.
So, John, what if you need something during the meal?
I think you mean to ask me, Sarah.
Oh, you're right. What if you need something during the meal, John?
Good question. You can get the waiter's attention.
How do you do that politely?
You can raise your hand a little bit.
Or make eye contact with the waiter?
When they come over, say "Excuse me" first.
Then tell them what you need. "Can I have more bread, please?"
Or, "Could I get some napkins?"
Napkins are the paper you use to clean your mouth and hands.
Yes, very useful word.
So, John, let's talk about something important. What if you can't finish all your food?
Oh, that happens to me sometimes. The portions are too big.
Me too. So, in many countries, you can take the food home.
Yes, you can ask, "Can I get a box for this?"
Or, "Can I have a to-go box?"
To go means you take it with you when you leave.
The waiter brings you a container, you put your leftover food in it.
Then you take it home and eat it later.
This is very common. Don't feel shy about it.
Not at all. It's normal and good. You're not wasting food.
Exactly. Now, after you finish eating, what happens?
Well, maybe you want dessert.
Oh, yes. The waiter might ask, "Would you like dessert?"
Or, "Can I interest you in dessert?"
If you want dessert, say, "Yes, please. Can I see the dessert menu?"
If you're too full, say, "No, thank you, I'm full."
Or you can say, "I'm stuffed." This means very full.
Yes, stuffed is a casual, friendly way to say it.
So if you order dessert, the waiter brings the dessert menu.
You choose what you want, maybe ice cream or cake.
Yum! Then you order the same way. "I'd like the chocolate cake, please."
The waiter brings your dessert and you enjoy it.
After you finish everything, it's time to pay.
Yes, this is an important part.
You need to ask for the check.
In American English, we say check. In British English, we say bill.
Both words mean the same thing.
So you say, "Can I have the check, please?" or "Check, please."
The waiter says, "Sure, I'll bring that right away."
They go and prepare your check.
Then they bring it to your table in a small folder.
The check shows all the food you ordered and the total price.
Look at it carefully. Make sure everything is correct.
If there's a mistake, tell the waiter politely.
Say, "Excuse me, I think there's an error on the check."
They'll fix it and bring you a new one.
Now let's talk about paying. There are different ways.
You can pay with cash or a credit card.
If you pay with cash, put the money in the folder.
Make sure to include the tip too.
Ah, yes, tips are very important in some countries.
In the United States and Canada, tipping is expected.
A tip is extra money you give to the waiter for their service.
Usually, people tip 15 to 20%.
So if your bill is $50, you tip about $8 to $10.
You can use your phone calculator to figure it out.
Tipping is part of the culture in the US and Canada.
Waiters depend on tips as part of their salary.
So always remember to tip.
In some other countries, tipping isn't necessary, but in the US and Canada, it is.
Good to remember. Now, if you pay with a credit card, it's different.
You put your card in the folder with the check.
The waiter takes it to process the payment.
They bring back a receipt for you to sign.
On the receipt, there's a line for the tip amount.
You write how much tip you want to give.
Then there's another line for the total.
You add the bill amount and the tip together. That's your total.
Then you sign your name at the bottom.
You keep one copy of the receipt. The restaurant keeps the other copy.
After that, you're done. You can leave.
But before you go, say thank you to your waiter.
Yes. Thank you. The food was wonderful.
Or thanks, we really enjoyed our meal.
The waiter will be happy. They might say, "Thank you. Come back soon."
It's nice to end on a friendly note.
I agree. Good manners make everyone happy.
So, Sarah, we've covered a lot, but let's talk about some special situations.
Good idea. What special situations?
Well, what about fast food restaurants? They're a bit different.
Oh, yes. Fast food is more casual.
You don't sit down first. You order at the counter.
That's right. You stand in line and wait your turn.
When it's your turn, the person asks, "What can I get for you?"
Or, "Hi, what would you like today?"
You tell them your order. "I'd like a cheeseburger and fries, please."
They might ask, "What size drink?"
You say, "Medium, please," or "large."
They also ask, "For here or to go?"
For here means you eat in the restaurant.
For to go means you take it with you.
After you order, they tell you the price.
You pay right away at fast food places.
Yes, it's different from regular restaurants.
Then you wait for your food. They call your number or name.
When they call you, you pick up your food.
Fast food is quick and easy.
Yes, and the language is simple too.
Now, John, what about making reservations?
Oh, that's important for busy restaurants.
A reservation means you book a table before you go.
You call the restaurant and say, "I'd like to make a reservation."
They ask, "For what day and time?"
You say, "For Friday at 7 p.m., please."
Then they ask, "How many people?"
You tell them the number. 4 people.
They might ask for your name and phone number.
You give them this information.
Then they say, "Great, we'll see you Friday at 7 p.m.
When you arrive at the restaurant, you say, "I have a reservation under John."
The host checks the list and takes you to your table.
Reservations are good for popular restaurants.
Yes, especially on weekends or holidays.
Now, Sarah, let's talk about dietary restrictions.
This is very important. Many people have special diets.
Right, like vegetarian, vegan, or food allergies.
When you order, tell the waiter about your restrictions.
Say, "I'm vegetarian. What do you recommend?"
Or, "I'm vegan. Which dishes are plant-based?"
If you have allergies, say, "I'm allergic to nuts. Is this safe for me?"
Waiters are trained to help with this.
They take it very seriously.
You can also ask for modifications.
Modifications are small changes to the dish.
Like, "Can I get this without cheese?" or "No onions, please."
Most restaurants are happy to help.
Yes, just ask politely.
Now let's review some important phrases.
Great idea. What's the most important phrase, John?
I think "I'd like" is number 1.
Yes, you can use it for everything. "I'd like water." "I'd like the chicken."
Another important phrase is "Can I have?"
"Can I have the menu?" "Can I have more napkins?"
Excuse me is also very useful.
You use it to get attention politely.
Thank you is essential. Say it often.
The check, please, is important at the end.
Yes, you need to remember that one.
What about could you recommend?
Oh, that's good. Could you recommend a good dish?
Or could you recommend something not spicy?
These are all great phrases to know.
Now, John, what advice do you have for nervous learners?
Practice at home. Say the phrases out loud.
Yes, practice makes you more confident.
You can even practice with a friend.
One person is the waiter, one is the customer.
Role-playing is very helpful.
And remember, waiters want to help you.
They're usually very patient and friendly.
Even if you make a mistake, it's okay.
Everyone appreciates when you try.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Every time you go to a restaurant, you learn more.
That's right. Don't be afraid. Just be polite and try your best.
Perfect advice. So, Sarah, I think we've covered everything today.
We really have, from entering to paying the bill.
We talked about ordering, eating, and special situations.
I hope our listeners feel more confident now.
Me too. Remember, everyone, restaurants should be fun, not stressful.
Exactly. It's about enjoying good food and good company.
And now you know what to say in English.
Just remember the key phrases we talked about.
I'd like, can I have, excuse me, and thank you.
These 4 phrases will help you so much.
Practice them and use them.
You can do this. We believe in you.
Well, Sarah, this was a great conversation.
I really enjoyed it. I'm getting hungry now.
Me too, all this talk about food.
Maybe we should go to a restaurant after this.
Great idea. We can practice what we taught.
Perfect. So, dear listeners, thank you for joining us today.
We hope this lesson was helpful and clear.
Remember to practice these phrases at home.
Say them out loud many times.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Be confident, be polite, and have fun.
You can do this. Don't be afraid to speak English.
Everyone makes mistakes. It's part of learning.
That's right. Mistakes help you improve.
So, go to a restaurant and practice.
You'll see how much you've learned.
Before we finish today, we want to say something important.
Yes, if you enjoyed this podcast and found it helpful, please support us.
You can follow English Mind Podcast and share it with your friends.
Your support helps us make more lessons for you.
We want to help as many English learners as possible.
So thank you for listening and for your support.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And enjoy eating at restaurants.
Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Happy learning.
And happy eating.
Take care, everyone.